My name's Natalie and I'm a fourth year biochemistry student. Biochemistry, I think it teaches you a real fundamental understanding of not just like biology, chemistry, but also like math, so statistics, calculus. And I think it's really versatile. So if you want to go the med school route or the professional school route, you can absolutely do that with biochemistry. But if you want to pursue something like research in graduate school, it also applies perfectly well. What I've personally really liked from UWindsor is the small class sizes. So I just feel like you gain so much more knowledge because I've been in like third and fourth year chemistry and biochemistry classes where it's me and 4 other people. So I just feel like I really get to ask the questions that I want to ask. I can kind of delve deeper into the knowledge and figure out just more. When I was given the opportunity after first year to join a research lab, I feel like the shift of where I wanted to go, it completely changed. Like now I'm set on going to graduate school, and that's all because I joined a research lab here at the university. A lot of professors are very generous with their office hours, so like if you show that you're passionate or involved, the professors are going to reciprocate that. There's a lot of general clubs just for like science as a whole. So there's like science society, there's lots of different clubs you can get involved in that way. I've had the opportunity to do a lot of traveling actually. So like getting into a research lab, I've had the opportunity to do research. I've done it in the UK a couple of times. And also in a lot of other labs, you'll constantly be traveling for conferences, if not like experiments themselves. Biochemistry is just a great program. It's a small program, but the knowledge that you acquire, no matter what your path is, no matter if you want to be a doctor or go to med school, or if you want to do research and go to graduate school, it's a really just all-around important program that teaches you the fundamentals of science that you are really going to need to succeed in the future. Thrive at UWindsor.